Open a web browser and type HP LaserJet Pro MFP 4103DW printer driver. And press enter or click on the search icon. From the search results, go to the website, click on the exact printer model that matches yours. Make sure to select the correct operating system, example, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, and version. Click on a download and select HP Easy Start. Once the download is complete, open the HP Easy Start installation file. Follow the on-screen instructions to install HP Easy Start. Turn on the printer and make sure it is connected to your computer using a USB cable. HP Easy Start will automatically detect the printer. HP Easy Start will download and install the correct USB driver for your printer. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. Once the driver installation is complete, HP Easy Start will prompt you to perform a test print. Follow the instructions to print a test page.